Are you ready to move money into your new EverBank account, but aren't sure where to start? Opening a new high-yield savings or checking account is exciting. It's the first step to growing your wealth. But that excitement can quickly turn to confusion when you get to the fund account stage. You've got options, and figuring out the quickest, easiest, or best one for your initial deposit can be a little overwhelming. Don't worry. In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through the simplest ways to fund your EverBank account step by step, so you can start benefiting from your new account right away. First, let's talk about the main methods. EverBank offers a few convenient ways to fund your account, especially for that initial deposit. The most common and easiest are an online transfer, also known as an ACH transfer, and a mobile deposit. For larger amounts or quicker access, you might also consider a wire transfer. Let's break down the two simplest options, online transfers and mobile deposits. Option 1, online transfer, ACH. This is the most common way to link accounts and move money electronically. Step 1, link your accounts. You'll need to link your external bank account, the one where your money currently is, to your new EverBank account. You usually do this through your EverBank online banking portal. You'll enter the external bank's routing number and your account number. Step 2, verification. For security, EverBank will often send 2 small micro-deposits to your external account. This might take 1 to 2 business days. Once you see them, log back into your EverBank portal and verify the exact amounts. Step 3, initiate the transfer. Once verified, you can now initiate the transfer. In the EverBank portal, go to the Transfers or Move Money section, select your external account as the From account and your EverBank account as the To account, enter your deposit amount, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that while the transfer is free, it usually takes a few business days for the funds to fully settle and become available. Option 2, mobile deposit. If your initial deposit is in the form of a check, this is the fastest way to get it in. Step 1, download the app. Make sure you have the official EverBank mobile app on your smartphone and are logged into your new account. Step 2, endorse the check. Sign the back of the check and be sure to write "For mobile deposit only at EverBank" or similar restriction, as instructed by the bank. Step 3, capture the images. In the app, navigate to the Mobile Deposit section. You'll be prompted to take a clear, well-lit picture of the front and back of the endorsed check. Step 4, enter details and confirm. Enter the check amount and select your new EverBank account as the deposit destination. Review all the details, then submit. EverBank often has a high daily limit for mobile deposits, which is great for a large initial funding. Funds may be available the same business day, though larger amounts might have a temporary hold. A quick note on wire transfers. If you need the funds available immediately and are funding a large sum, you can opt for a wire transfer. You would start this process from your external bank, providing them with EverBank's wire instructions, including the routing number, SWIFT code, and your account number. Be aware that your sending bank will likely charge a fee for a wire transfer. No matter which method you choose, always double-check the minimum opening deposit requirement for your specific EverBank account type to ensure a smooth start. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.